Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find password settings on your accounts on Pinterest, easy and quick. First click on your profile, now click here and now click settings, now click account management and here you will find your password settings. Here you can change your password settings and that's it. That's how to find password settings on your account on Pinterest, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.